Hello everyone and welcome to Cash to Turn Trading Room. Today is Tuesday, September 10th. Before we get started, I want to go ahead and read our disclaimer. Cash to Turn Trading Incorporated, the holding company for CashToTurn.com, does not make any solicitations, recommendations, or offers to buy or sell any security or investment. Cash to Turn Incorporated does not advocate the purchase or sale of any security investment. Prior to the execution of any securities trade, you should always consult with your broker or other financial advisor. There is a very high degree of risk involved in trading securities. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Now with that out of the way, I want to go ahead and talk about the currencies and what they've been doing for the past couple of hours, and also what they could do, in the next couple of hours as we're in this trading room. So the EURUSD went ahead and put a short around 8 p.m. So we are looking for the turn here for it to go long, most likely around midnight. And then we have the New Zealand dollar that's also been pushing short, and it's getting already oversold, as we can see here on with our ocean. So we're looking for this thing to go long, to put in the long mode. And then we have the pound USD, which is also right now going short. So we'll see when the market opens, if these things turn around and they reverse and they go long. The euro yen has been pushing long, and it looks like it wants to go short, as we can see out here from our Cobra. It's basically about 3 pips away from Cobra. So we'll see if we get a bounce here from Cobra, and either to take it back long or if it's going to turn short. And then we have the dollar yen, which follows the euro yen. As you guys can see, it has basically the same movement. We might get a bounce off the Cobra and take it back long, or we might actually go short. And then finally we have this euro CAD. This euro CAD usually, as you guys can tell, it's very it's basically dead, because it's basically in the dead zone right now. The time the time that it trades is, as you guys can tell here from these big movements, is around midnight to about 12:30. It has one turn around that time, and it has another turn around 6 in the morning for the U.S. market. And from there on, it's basically dead for the rest of the day. So this is 9 in the morning till right now, which is 10 p.m. So this one will be looking, for a movement around midnight, maybe 12:30. Let me go. All right, everyone. So it is almost 2 in the morning, so we're gonna go ahead and close this chat room up. The news came out for the pound, you guys, but we thinking about trading it, but we just decided we're not, because it's just one of the rules that we we have here at Cash to Turn, not to trade the news, because it becomes too volatile. So we are gonna go ahead and close the trading room. And one thing we will be working on for our clients is we're going to start doing some swing and long positions for for tonight, nights like tonight, when the market is flat, or we don't get trade setups. At least we'll have some swing positions, some long positions that you guys will be able to take if you choose to do so. And that way you always be in a trade. And when we have nights like tonight where nothing sets up, you have some swing long positions. So we are going to go ahead and close the trade for the night. We didn't. The market was pretty flat, so we didn't. There were a lot of counter trend trades tonight on the 240. So a lot of things were going to get to 240. So that's the reason why we didn't initiate some of these trades. So we will be just working on that. So I'll go ahead and close it, and then guys have a good night, and we'll see you guys tomorrow night.